This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Gorgeous transitional with tons of natural light, fresh paint and new flooring, first floor open floor plan with family room, kitchen with center island, granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances, and pantry, large formal dining room, primary suite with walk-in closet and private bath with dual vanities and large soaking tub, second floor laundry room, attached garage, off-street parking, and covered front and rear porches. Awesome community amenities including playgrounds, picnic areas, clubhouse, and pool. Convenient to golf course, TCC, and easy access to I-264. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.